Here is what no one is telling my strong, beautiful sister about love. But baby, you need to hear it. You are the one that makes things happen. You have the career. You have raised your child or children. You have survived all of those complicated heartbreaks. And yet you still manage to look like you have it all together. But in love, love feels hard. It feels complicated. It feels unavailable. Let's talk about why that is and how you can start to heal. Here are the 6 most common blocks that I see working with powerful Black women. The first one is hyper independence, where somewhere in your life you were forced to be strong. The second one is the masculine energy overload. You are stuck in go mode, and even on your dates, it seems that way as well. Number 3, that unprocessed heartbreak. The wall that you built is keeping love on the outside instead of where you want it to be on the inside. Number 4, being a perfectionist. If you can't control it, you can't risk it. Number 5, the fear of vulnerability. You really want intimacy, but you want it if it's not risky. Number 6, burnout in dating. You are sick and tired of attracting that wrong energy. Sis, lean in for me. These are not flaws. I want you to hear me. These were protective strategies that kept you safe, that help you to get to where you're at in your career, that help you to make the type of money that you are now making. But in your love life, these strategies are keeping you from the very thing that you want, which is connection. You're craving intimacy. You're craving to be heard. You're craving an intimate connection. You're craving for the one to show you off to the world where the both of you can build legacy and empire together. We have to get rid of these blocks. They are stopping you from attracting and keeping the very person that's supposed to be by your side. Here's what healing starts to look like. The first thing is that you start to reclaim your feminine energy without losing your voice. The second thing is redefining vulnerability as your power, not your weakness. The third thing is shifting from doing to receiving, allowing, being very open and receptive. The fourth thing is learning how to feel emotionally safe, even while you're dating. And the fifth thing is no longer confusing self-sacrifice with love. And sis, you do not have to do all of this alone. This is why I co-created my workshop series, Powerful at Work, Soft in Love. In the workshop series, we're going to be teaching how to stop surviving and lean into thriving. Thriving not only in your career, but also thriving in your love life. Thriving in the relationship that you have with yourself. Thriving in the relationship that you have with your child or children. Thriving in the relationship that you have with a significant other. We want you to thrive in all areas of your life, which is why we created Powerful at Work, Soft in Love. And we want to see you in the room. Listen, this is a very small, intimate group of Black women that are ready to take it to the next level, not only in their careers, but also in their love life. If this sounds like you are sick and tired of being sick and tired. You are actually sick and tired of only thriving in parts of your life. And now you want to bring it all together. Come and learn how to do all and even more at Powerful at Work, Soft in Love workshop series here live in San Diego. Click the link down below if you are ready to make this change from surviving to thriving.